everybody outside in the pool. And Zuri does not care about water getting splashed on her or anything. So we're going to see if she's going to try to swim in the water for the first time. Oh, good girl. Good girl.
You know how to swim.
Simba knew how to swim too. He just didn't want to swim.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Aww.
She does not like water.
No, I want to
She like the water. No, Simba don't like water.
At all.
Zuri like the water. She chilling. She ain't trying to get out or anything. Okay. Got one dog that don't like it, which is a schnauzer, and another schnauzer that loves it. Interesting. Hey y'all, we at Auntie's Fun Park. Yeah. Go get in the water. Go get in the water. Take your shoes off. Zuri, you gonna touch that water, girl?
She's licking it.
It's just water, Jordan.
But it's dirty.
You can get in it.
How?
You step in it.
Just to go inside. Just go.
Get out. Oh, he gonna need a towel. He gonna need a towel.
Just wipe your face off.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm scared.
Take your shoes off, Joy.
What?
Shoes off.
I'm scared.
Something's biting me. Okay. Someone said he enjoying the AC.
No, like on this thing.
Don't let her look.
Yeah, put her.
No.
Let her go. Don't touch her. See where she goes.
Come here, Siri. No, stop this. No, Siri.
Aduh, ya ganda.
Stop.
Mana yang sana?
Oh, there they go. You're getting comfy. Y'all love each other.